Well, students, continue tayo. Problem number 9. Ano ba yung number 9? So, for 9, we have integral of ano yan? Dx 1 over x ln x square. Yep, okay. So, actually, itong problem number 9, this is more or less the same lang sa problem number 8 na nasolve natin kanina. So, we will set u equal to ln x kasi nga ang derivative of ln x is equal to 1 over x dx. Diba? Sige. So, u is equal to ln x and then du will be equal to 1 over x dx. Sige. And then, copy natin to, palitan natin. So, this will become u squared kasi ln x is u. And then, itong 1 over x dx, mapapalitan to. So, wala na yung 1 over x. Mapapalitan yan ng, mapapalitan ng du. Okay? So, this is now our new function wherein we can easily integrate this one using the basic integration formulas, itong second equation. Just remember to put the variable sa numerator side. So, we will change this one. So this will become u to the power negative 2. Again, the same lang yun kanina. 1 over u to the power 2 is just the same as u to the power negative 2. Okay? Sige. So, I think diretso na. Ang sagot natin will be u to the power negative 2. So, plus 1. Diba? N is actually negative 2 man. So, negative 2 plus 1. And then divide the whole term or the whole variable with the exponent itself. Then, wag natin kalimutan yung plus c. Magalit si ma'am, no? Yan. Okay, so I think ang sagot natin dito is 1 over x, di ba? Negative 1 over x. 1 over u para negative 1 over u. Sige, so this become negative 1 over u plus c. So, madali lang to, no? Oops, dito natin ilagay yung negative kasi hindi makita. Okay, so final answer will be, kopyahin lang natin to and then ibalik natin yung original value of u which is ln x. So, lagyan natin yan. So, I think yan yung sagot natin. Negative 1 over ln x plus c. Check daw natin kung same ba sa answer key natin. Ano yan? 9.2, no? Yep, tama. Parehas lang. Sige. So, I think that's it. If you have any questions or clarifications, comment lang sa baba. Let's proceed sa problem number 10. Sige.